guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a video review of the IMethod Beauty nail polish that I received. Now this brand reached out to me in exchange to do a review based on these gel products. So I don't often do gel polish just because, to be honest, like all the gel nail polish that I have is old and I need to throw it out because it wasn't good. So these, I actually did it yesterday, so I'll have the clip of me actually applying it, but this is the color that I currently have. So yes, I applied it. So this is the box. It's called the IMethod Beauty Gel Color Nail Polish, specifically the Artist Collection. So some quick facts while I open this about this brand. It's 100% vegan, cruelty-free, 9-free. I'm not too sure what 9-free means, and it says for longer wear. I'll definitely try to update you guys. I'll probably come back to the video and put an update, but so far I feel like it is going to have that good update, good wear, just because I feel like it's hardened and it's, I don't know how to explain it, but it's just like it's hardened and I don't feel like it's about to chip off, whereas the other gel I was using, like I can feel the nails starting to peel off. This I think will last. Of course, you know, washing dishes and stuff like that will probably lessen the time, so I'm gonna try to use gloves and everything while I watch it. But right now it laid flat, but it's fresh nail polish, so that's why. So there's a total of 6 colors in here. This is just a pamphlet. I think I showed you guys in the video, so I'm not gonna go too big on it. But I just want to tell you the colors. So there are 6 different colors, and they also say that there will be a difference in coats. So like if you see like the color, it looks like it's changing as you apply. So the first coat would be like a lighter shade, second coat would be a little darker shade. I only did 2 coats on mine, and then the third coat would be an even darker shade. So the colors, so this is what the packaging looks like. And I do swatches for you guys, so I'm not going to really get into the swatches. I'll write down the different colors and everything when I go back to edit this video. But the green one, the 101, is the military olive. There is 107, that is the blue nudes. 110, which is the color that I have on, is the Ghost Ranch Fire to Brick. 12, which is the almost nude. 116, which is kind of close to the other green. There's 2 different kind of shades of green. This is the hazy mint. And lastly is 117, which is the pearl transparent. Now, I will say, one thing I will also say about this, what I like is that this brand is actually pretty affordable. On top of it being vegan, I only paid $12 added, but it was only $12.97 for these 6 nail polishes, which is honestly, in my opinion, not too bad. Because sometimes when you're getting a gel set, depending on what you get, it's a little bit more on the expensive side. Granted, also adding, if maybe the kits come with the, what do you call it, the UV LED light, but I already had that, so I didn't need to purchase that. I'm just making sure that I tell you guys any other facts here. So like I said, there's a pamphlet. They show you like how to apply it, if you want to apply it. They do have other collections, which is the occasions one, but I want to specifically talk about this artist collection. They do have social media if you want to go check them out. I'll leave the social media links down below. They don't have any harsh chemicals for your nails, and so I think that's really a nice thing. Oh, and also what I forgot to tell you guys, to say this, their products are on Amazon, so you can purchase them on Amazon.com. And I'll leave the link for this collection. I do like the colors in this collection, so I don't know what color I'll use next, but because generally I tend to use, when I use regular nail polish anyway, it always comes off. So like this is good, especially now because I have not been to the regular nail salon. I refuse to go right now, so you could do it for free at home by buying your own thing. I already had the lamp, so I just need a thing. So yes, they said long. Now on to the application process. Okay guys, so I'm going ahead and unboxing the artist collection for you guys and showing you guys what the colors look like. So once again, this is the IMethod Beauty, the pattern. They show you how to properly apply your gel polish so you can do it correctly. Now, these are all the frequently asked questions that people may have. So this is, like I showed you before, the 6 colors. So I'm going ahead with each and every one of them. So this is 101, and 101 is the color Military Olive, like I mentioned before. Then this is 107, which is the Blue Nudes color. And this is what it looks like. Next is 110, which is the color that I showed you guys earlier. Is the color that I'm using, which is the Ghost Ranch Fired Black. Next, 117, which is the Pearl Transparent. .116, which is Hazy Mint. It's like a light green color. And then the last one is 112, almost nude. Like I said, I went in with 110. So I use a regular nail polish because my gel one was kind of gunky, but you should use a a gel clear polish base coat, which I need to get a base coat and a top coat. You should normally use those, but mine works just fine, and it did well with the regular nail polish, clear polish. And I just left it in for 30 seconds. Now, they said that depending on which type of lamp you have, the cure time is different, meaning how long you keep your hands under the gel light. My lamp is actually a UV and a LED together. So, I mean, I just did the simple standard one, but depending on which one you have. So if you have a LED light, it's less time. If you have a UV light, it's a little bit more time is added into your time of leaving it underneath. Now, normally when I do my nails, I'll do it for the time. I'll do one coat. What I did was one coat, and then I left it in for about 60 seconds. Second coat, I left it in for another 60 seconds, put a clear, and then I left it in for the two minutes just to make sure that it is indeed fully dry before I moved on to my next nail. That's what I personally did. But it's dependent. So this is what it looks like the first coat. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply the second coat. And as I mentioned before, they said when you put in the second coat, it's kind of like the color kind of becomes a little darker. Let me know if you guys tell the difference. Honestly, I think I noticed a difference, but to me the color, because of the color, it's kind of like similar. It's like a brown color. So, and then again, I just leave it under there. And then the last step that you guys will just see me doing is adding the same clear polish back on top, just to like finish it off so that it's shiny. And that was it. And then I did the same thing on my other hand. You like, you comment, you subscribe, you hit the notification bell, the next subscribe button so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.